Alright, now let us go to the next question. What is the next question?
Running at the same constant rate, 6 identical machines can produce a total of 270 bottles per minute. At this rate, how many bottles could 10 such machines produce in 4 minutes?
Right. So 270 bottles by 6 machines. So 270 goes on the top and 6 machines goes to the left side of the tree. Right? So tell me, how many bottles are produced by one machine?
45 bottles.
45 bottles per machine. Right? Great. If 45 bottles are produced per machine, we got 10 machines here. So how many bottles are produced by 10 machines?
450 bottles.
450 bottles. Now, 450 bottles are produced per minute. So tell me, in 4 minutes, how many bottles are produced?
1800 bottles.
1800 bottles, right? So 1800 is your answer, which is answer choice B. Is that clear?